Have you been thinking of contacting a counsellor to help with some personal issues, only to find you have now little opportunity for face-to-face therapy as a result of COVID-19 social distancing and lockdown restrictions? Depending on the nature of the issue that you're battling with, this inability to talk in person to a professionally qualified practitioner can be disheartening and frustrating. However, the good news is that there are other modes or channels that may be worth considering, such as telephone or online counselling. You may be apprehensive about such options, and perhaps be of the view that anything other than in-person communication couldn't possibly be effective, particularly in talking through deeply personal or sensitive issues. This is understandable given that we are all social beings and nothing quite compares with relating to one another in person. However, digital or online alternatives such as Zoom, Skype, FaceTime offer virtual face-to-face contact and provide real benefits in terms of convenience. Once you've chosen or selected your online platform, arranging counselling sessions within your home can be pretty straightforward. Setup is generally a simple step-by-step process, and depending on the virtual communication system or channel that you've selected, it can simply be a matter of downloading a software application and clicking a link to join the online therapy session. At the Hove Counselling practice, we offer setup support for online counselling upon request. As the first session is a free counselling assessment, this generally allows sufficient time to resolve any technical issues that may arise before full therapy begins. Online counselling offers a number of advantages. The fact that you're virtually meeting your therapist from the comfort of your own home, for example, means that there are fewer things to distract you, such as the details of the room that you're sitting in. This makes for an increased sense of closeness with your therapist, as he or she will be the sole focus of your attention. If you are unaccustomed to using virtual communication platforms generally, or online conferencing technology at work for example, it may initially feel a little strange and unnatural. However, once you start talking and engaging with your therapist, you may find that you become fully immersed in your dialogue and your initial resistance disappears. Online therapy provides a safe and confidential space within which a client can talk about their difficulties in the presence of a professional who is trained to listen. Of course, if the idea of setting up a virtual face-to-face meeting with a counsellor doesn't quite appeal to you, then speaking over the phone can also be a viable and convenient way to be listened to. The professional training that therapists undergo enables them to observe what might be happening for a person at a deeper, less conscious level while he or she is talking, and thereby ask questions that may shed light on a particular situation. This process can be particularly helpful when you're feeling frustrated or deeply distressed, because you're unable to make sense of what may be happening to you. Talking about yourself with someone who is professionally trained to understand the hidden language beneath your words is at the heart of psychotherapy and counselling, and this can readily be done over the phone, online, or face-to-face in person. If you'd like to explore online or telephone counselling options, then do contact the Hove Counselling practice for a free initial counselling assessment.